I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to keep going as an add-on based on yesterday's video with Copilot and how Copilot works. I'm really going to uncover how to automate your workflow and your day-to-day work and show what you can do with AI in 10 minutes here. All right, let's go. So straight here on the screen, we've got Copilot. Okay, we're going to click on it. All right, let's just say, for example, my boss has asked me to present how data science can a data scientist can automate workflows within a business. So I'm going to put this straight in here. So I'm going to ask AI to generate a presentation on how a data scientist can automate workflows and forecast future trends through predictive analysis. Okay, now it's going to start building this out here. Okay, while this is going here, I'm going to bring up Word. Okay, so while that's pulling things together here, I'm going to go over here to Copilot and I'm going to go, okay, I'm going to go here and it's pretty easy. You just go Alt-I. So Alt-I. Okay, comes up with a draft with Copilot. What do you want to write? Okay. Another thing you can do is you can dictate here, use your voice to make some notes before you go into the meeting. Let's just say in this instance, the meeting's in 10 minutes and I haven't done anything yet, and I'm just trying to pull some stuff together. My boss has put me on the spot. I go, okay, please, I'm going to say, write me a transcript, write a transcript. Um, for the benefits, highlighting the benefits of data scientists and have on automating workflows in a small to medium-sized business, because we'll just say that's what this is. Okay. We presented to an executive team. Okay, I'm going to go generate. All right, so that's creating a draft there for me. Okay, you can see there it's just bringing it out straight away for me. The AI is working. Come over here now, and this presentation has now done. So it says here, yep, that's beautiful. I'm going to say keep it. Okay, so now I've got my script right here, and over here I have my presentation. Okay, so presentation has now been generated here. Automating workflows and forecasting future trends through predictive analysis. Okay, so I can start talking about predictive analysis straight away. Can talk about the challenges of automation, values and applications in a business. I can talk about a little bit about predictive analysis, machine learning, time series analysis, and regression analysis, the benefits that has to the business. So, straight away, I have my presentation ready to go here now. So I go over here. Okay, I go, right, the role and benefits of a data scientist in automating workflows for SMBs. Okay, so I've got a full-on script here. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to discuss the transformative role that a data scientist can play in automating workflows within small to medium-sized businesses as we strive to enhance efficiency and productivity. The integration of data science in our operations offers a plethora of benefits that can significantly impact our bottom line. Okay, and then I just go through this, the automating of repetitive tasks, time saving in the business, trying to work towards automation, implementing OpenAI, how data scientists can use machine learning to develop algorithms to automate these tasks. So that might be writing scripts in Excel, might be, using, say, ChatGPT with in conjunction with Power Query to automate the cleaning phase in data analysis. There's and cutting the data analytics analysis teams work in half if they're still doing manual based tasks. improving customer insights. So, obviously you can uncover preferences, buying patterns, and feedback. So if the business is, say, a coffee business, and it sells coffee beans, for example, you can have a look at what customers are buying the product, and what sort of feedback you're getting, what sort of months are they buying in, and then you can then use this analysis to further leverage marketing efforts and work out where to enhance customer service, where there could be some inefficiencies, and so on. And then you can come down here to optimizing supply chain management, automating that process further, and reducing operational costs, so bringing down operating expenses so the business can increase its net profit. Finance team will like. And then, here you can start, you've got case studies here that you can sort of work off. And I could easily go and find, retail businesses. So let's just say, okay, retail business and a marketing agency. I can then go into Gemini. Let's just say I want to now go over here into Gemini. I can say, provide me with two real world examples, um, where businesses have um, used predictive analysis and data scientist methods to automate within their businesses to generate revenue. Okay. So I get my real world examples. All right, Amazon's personalized product recommendations, Netflix content recommendation system. So this is a good one here, with the algorithms with Netflix. When we go to watch a movie on Netflix, we can see what our viewing history is. We get suggested based movies based on what we've previously watched, and this is think of this as there's data being accumulated every time we go to watch a movie to sort of say what we like, and then that predictive model is generated to suggest future movies that we might like that other people might have watched the same thing as us. So there's some different things there that are quite cool. And Netflix has used that to generate more revenue, increase viewing time, and it also helps Netflix users find something to watch at a faster rate. Powerful tools to automate businesses and decision making. Amazon, they use this to analyze customer purchase history, browsing behavior, and other relevant data points. And down here now, I actually have these references. So I can go, okay, well, I'm just going to open this link in a new tab, open this link in a new tab, and open this link in a new tab. So let's just say, all right, I've only got like 2 minutes left now until I've got to get up there and present. I have my 3 links to back myself up there, so I can give real world examples. I have my transcript that I'm going to talk off. Obviously, you still need to know your stuff. You can't just get up and talk about this if you don't really know the benefits. But it just shows how quickly you can put something together here. Okay, so let's say I've stood up now and I'm presenting. I go, okay, well, automating workflows, forecasting future trends through predictive analysis. Okay, good morning, team. I bring this up. Okay, talk about leveraging data science for efficient workflow automation and what this can do for your business. Um, you know, Introduction to predictive analysis, we'll be discussing the challenges that will occur in automation. We'll be touching on how that feeds into change management piece for the business, and if that's the route that the business would like to go down. And then moving over, introduction to predictive analysis. And then we sort of talk about what predictive analysis is. It's statistics to forecast future events based on historical data. So what this would be in your business would be getting the historical based data and performing regression analysis or a multiple linear regression analysis in addition to a confidence interval to determine future sales within the business, and then talking about using other forms of machine learning to do that, time series analysis, um, involving analyzing data points collected or recorded at specific time intervals to predict future trends. So, if a customer purchases a product at 1 p.m. and then they always purchase between 1 p.m. and 6 p.m., you can then kind of work out for that customer what window they're going to potentially purchase in the future, to ensure that there's enough service available for them, or they get that product delivered in a timely manner. Um, and then, talking about regression analysis, examining the relationship between variables to find what the correlation is, and find trends in the data, what variable affects another variable. So, when there's more people in a customer service team, do um, customers get their complaints resolved at a much faster rate relative to when there's only, two working, comparatively to when there's eight working. Customers get their problem resolved at a much faster rate, and they typically rate the business at a higher satisfaction rate. Okay. And then, yeah, you can keep building from there. So that's just a bit of an example there as to how you can automate work really quickly. That could be back in the day. This could have been um, an all-day based job, and you may have had to, spend hours here in Excel to build this up. Now you can just build it up, at the tip of your fingers using Copilot, which is crazy.